Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share some more dies with you. So in Lifescraft contacted me again and asked if I'd like to do some more projects with them and if I'd like to choose some more dies. So I said yes, because I do really like sorry guys, I'm having to move you because at the moment my tripod is kind of broken and you are balanced on a box, on a crate, yeah, with a jumper underneath. To balance, this is what we're working with, to balance you up, and every now and again it slips and you move, so we're working with what we got. Yeah, so anyway, back to the video. They contacted me, asked if I would like to work with their products again and if I'd like to choose some more of their dies and stamps and things. Obviously, because I've tried out their dies and I'm really pleased with them, otherwise I wouldn't, promote their shop. So please go and check out their channel. I've not had any, all their dies cut really nice. Their stamp really well. Customer service is amazing. The prices on there are really, really good. And it doesn't take, to be honest, obviously it's coming from China and it takes about just over a week to 2 weeks, sort of between a week and 2 weeks, I would say, which is nothing really. So I've chosen some more dies to work with, so I will be back to share projects with them, but obviously I'm going to share just the dies in this video. So the first thing I picked up was this really cute bow die. I just thought this would be really nice to put on, when you've got those different characters, little bears or girls and things, stamps and that. I thought I could use those on them. So I think you get 2 different, or is it 3 different? I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, I will link everything. I think it's 2 different types of bows looking at it, because this is the middle piece and these are the top pieces and these are the bottom, if I remember rightly. But like I said, I will link everything down in the description down below, so please go and check those out. So yes, I've got that bow die. Then picked up this banner, and I really liked this banner because it not only did you get the pattern with it, but you got the inner piece, so you could make it into a shaker if you wanted to. I think I could you could make that into a shaker. But you could also layer, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get 10 dies in total, which I thought really, really good. And I just like this stitching and the scalloped edge on the dies. And I'm wondering if I might see if I can try and make the actual bigger one into an album. That'd be really cool. So I got that one. Then got this little rainbow, which I thought was really sweet. It comes with a star one end and a cloud the other. And then it's got holes in. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm wondering if it cuts out those holes or if that's just to help poke each section out, because by the looks of it, each one of these sections cuts out separately. So that's that one, and it's quite a nice size, to be honest. I haven't actually got my ruler to hand to measure each of these, but if you check out the links, then it should have the measurements on there. Then found this one, which is like a pockets. You get 3 different pockets. Cuts out. So you got this one here, and then you got these 2 here. Again, I thought it would be quite nice on tags and in albums and things. So I'm excited to try that one out. Next, picked up this butterfly one. Really nice size, this one. So you've got this really pretty butterfly, and then think it says congratulations in the centre there, which obviously you can remove, and then you can put whatever sentiment you wanted in there, or you could leave it plain if you wanted to. So we've got that one. Then got this flower pot one. It's a cute little flower pot, and then you can put this like tag that goes inside the flower pot, I've seen, and then you can put sort of flowers and these leaves on it. So you could add a little sentiment on here. Yeah, so I thought that's quite nice. Or you could make this into like a tag, and that'd be the sort of the message on the tag in that part. Yeah, I'm excited to try that out on different projects. And then wanted some more banners, and I found this set. You get 6 different banners, and like sort of various sizes, and then it's got this like patterns on each end of it, which I thought was really cool. So got that one. Then got this words die, and you get quite a lot in here, this one. I am going to try and read them, guys, to you as best as I can, but like I said, definitely go and check out the links. So I think that says beautiful. This one says happy. You got feelings, great, greetings, wishes, awesome, warm, winter, best, seasons, sunshine. I think that says sunshine. And I think that one says nice. Yeah, I think that's all of them, guys. But like I said, I will leave the links, and you can check those out. So that's that one. Then got this heart one. Oh, that's the door. Hold on. I'm going to pause you guys. I will be back. Okay, I'm back to share the rest of this. So, yeah, so I've got this heart die to make like an album. So it comes with the holes to do the album. It comes with this layering heart. Then it comes to the outer piece. I'm wondering if I can make that piece into a shaker as well. I might be able to do that. So I'll be back to share some projects with that one. And then this is a stamp set that I got. So they do stamps as well. They do other things, but obviously I've just ordered mainly dies from there. So this, I thought this was so cute. And as you guys know, recently I've been on like a cat haul recently. Been loving getting different cat dies and things. So I'm actually looking for some cat papers and things. So if anyone knows where I can get some papers that are like cat themed, that'd be great. But anyway, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cats, and I just thought they were so cute. They got like different expressions, and they're doing different poses. I like that one. And their whiskers, look how long their whiskers are. Yeah, I just thought it was so cute. It says meow. Hope you're feline better. Have a, and then it's got like perfect birthday. I thought that's a cool one. And then it says pause Sunday. Yeah, so I thought it was really cute to make like cards and things. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that out. And then they must have sent this. So this is a really cute actually. So it comes with different obviously stamps. You've got a little bunny there. I love the little frog. I think that's really cute. Dragonfly, and a few other different ones. So So yeah, and that's it, guys. Like I said, please go and check out Lifescraft. I will leave all the links to these products down below, as well as a discount code that you can use in their store, and also the link to their store. Yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, guys, and have an awesome week. Take care. Bye.